Welcome back behind the stick, everybody. Chris Payne here, the Digital Bartender, and we are with you for another Bespoke Post review and unboxing video. So last time we did the distilled box with the homemade gin kit, and I'll put a link to that video at the end screen, so make sure and stay all the way to the end to see that link, as well as a link to the gin and tonic, the ultimate gin and tonic video that we made on the back end of that last Bespoke Post review. But anyway, we're here for another review and unboxing. I have this time, this is the Cheers box. The first box came in a really nice, very clearly labeled with a big Bespoke B and nice Bespoke Post labeling on the side. This came with the Bespoke tape, just plain vanilla box with the little Bespoke Post tape. Hey, keep it rolling. Without further ado, let's get in to the Cheers box. Alright, so just like last time, first thing we have is the information card. It says hoppy days are here to stay. Clever little pun there. Whatever your brew of choice is, a rich porter or a hoppy pale ale, this gear will help you enjoy it to the last drop. So, they always do a great job. I know this is only my second box, but first thing I noticed right off the bat is how well everything's packed together. No room for wiggling around. These are nice quality glassware items, and so they do a great job of protection. All right, so we have from Teku this beautiful set of beer goblets. Now, what's nice about Bespoke Post, they describe themselves as a subscription box for people who give a damn. Okay, these are specifically curated boxes. You can go through all of the different basically baseline kits that they have and pre-select what you're going to get. They offer add-on options for you where you can get even like higher level items in the same genre, same category of your choice. So I knew ahead of time that I was going to get these goblets, and what's cool about these is they've actually been designed by a sommelier. So the same way that wine, varietally speaking, is meant to be delivered in an exact way to your nose and to your palate, they've done the same thing with these beer glasses. You're going to get a really nice concentrated aroma. It's going to hold any carbonation in really well, and the flavors are going to preserve. You're going to get nice bubbles, and they're just perfect glasses for, say, like a Trappist style higher ABV beer. And so pair these, you know, they're super heavy duty. They're not lightweight at all. It's nice thick glass. I dig these a lot, so really happy about those. Set these down here to the side. Okay, and then this is a really cool little item. So this is a beer opener. This comes from Westmark out of Germany, and one side, let's get this off here, show you how this works, is a beer opener, and then the other side, you know, a lot of these nicer like double and triple ales, they come in large 22 to 40 ounce sizes, and you might not want to try and have an 11% ABV beer at that volume. You want to have a little and save it. And so what this does is allows you to preserve that beer. Basically, you got the pop the top side, and then this is just kind of gets narrower as you go down, and it slides back over the top, and the top here is like a silicone type of material, and it just creates a seal. It's a hermetic seal, and it preserves your beer. So if you buy a nice beer, you know, some of those can be 25, 40 bucks. Preserve it, have it over a couple days. That's a cool item. And then lastly, in this kit, we have this awesome beer growler. Nice dark amber, super thick. I love the kind of old, you know, guy playing the jug in the little grass band kind of look to it. This is a pretty serious clasp here. really nice, thick silicone seal. Yeah, this is, oh yeah, you gotta put some force on it to close it too. This is nice. So what we're gonna do is take this to a local brewery, get it filled up, come back, pour us one in our new glasses, and enjoy a nice, ice cold, locally sourced glass of beer. All right, I'll see you back here in a minute. Okay, so we took a quick little trip to Bluffton, South Carolina, about a 15-minute ride from where I live here in Hilton Head. And unfortunately, due to COVID, we were not able to get any live footage, but Southern Barrel is an awesome local brewery, and we're super stoked to grab some great photos for you guys. Hope you enjoy. So we'll be right back with a delicious beer from a local brewery here, Bluffton, South Carolina, Southern Barrel Brewery. We'll be right back. And there we have it. This is a very delicious Damn Yankee IPA from Southern Barrel here locally in Bluffton, South Carolina. Let's give it a try. We've got our awesome sommelier designed beer glass. Let's see how everything turns out. Already I'm loving the color of this IPA. Beautiful golden hues. Now, what's cool about this beer glass? A few things. First of all, the stemmed handle. You're not gonna hold your beer by the glass and warm it up. It's gonna stay that perfect temperature that you're looking for. Next thing's gonna be the lip of this glass. Couple things that does. First of all, it traps the perfect amount of foam at the top. It is in a funnel shape, so it delivers a very concentrated aroma as you go to take a sip, which is, a lot of flavor comes from smell. Second of all is going to be the shape. When the lip of a glass continues straight in the same pattern, you have to kind of tilt it to get it to your mouth and you can spill. This glass, you can bring straight to your lip without a tilt and then deliver that perfect sip. Absolutely delicious East Coast style IPA from the guys down at Southern Barrel. Citrus notes with the right amount of hop, tons of balance, tons of body. We're coming in right around 6.8 ABV, so packs just the right amount of punch. So yeah, totally digging this. Sorry, I had to have one more sip. Awesome growler, awesome glasses, and of course we've got our bottle savers. So the next time I get a double or triple ale, I'll have exactly what I need to reseal that. And yeah, looking forward to that. This has been the Cheers box from Bespoke Post. Definitely give this a try. This is month 2 in a row for me that they've nailed it down at Bespoke Post. Super happy with the quality of the products. If you want to try it out for yourself, I'll put a link down in the description. Grab yourself $20 off your first box if you've never got a Bespoke Post before. And if you have, let me know in the comments what you think. And also, if you try it out for the first time, let me know how it goes for you. All right, Chris Payne, the Digital Bartender, signing off from this Bespoke Post unboxing review. This has been the Cheers box. I'll see you guys in the next video.